Hey, everybody, and welcome again to Lindapter Spotlight. I'm Matt Kovchinsky. I'm the technical sales engineer for Lindapter for the Northeast US and Canada. Today, I wanted to talk to you about the 1055 flooring fastener. We have a couple different fasteners for flooring, and this one is a little unique because what it is, it allows flooring to be attached right on top of grating. So if I hold up this sample here, you can see right here, it's just a circle in the plating, and it's oversized, right? So what happens is if you look right here, you could actually rotate the screw around so it's going to be adjacent to the grating. So that means the hole does not have to be perfect, right? So you just need the way it's sized, it's big enough that you put it down and you rotate it around to get so it's adjacent to the grating, and then you're able to get it attached. As you can see right here on the bottom, it has a little clip, and once that hooks on, once again you're torquing it down and you're going to secure the plating in place. This is beneficial because you do not have to remove the grating. So if you're at a location where either you have clips or the grating is welded down, you can put this right on top and just fasten it down. So that's going to save a lot of time. It adds a little bit of a weight, but for main purposes, it's not going to be that much more weight. And hopefully it will speed things up for you and give you what the look that you need and maybe the use that you need. With that being said, that's the 1055. Go check it out on our website. Again, it's Matt Kovchinsky, and this is your Lindapter Spotlight.